pushi nida wenti Rugu pushi woda wenti Kausu oshi shedu wenti Aichi jenda punin drambi Uchushi shange niza ichi Upusha ichi nara sharani Ugeni maire ndo de donji Chushi shange ni kaishi Girl, you like a flower I wanna give you water Every day by your side Every day let me treat you nice Girl, I know you like Celine Yeah, girl, I buy you that Celine The shade on you, you look so clean, girl I wanna give love, give it purple love I see you, girl, you deserve it If it's not enough, then I'll give you more, baby I wanna give love, give it purple love I see you, girl, you deserve it If it's not enough, then I'll give you more Baby, I know them boys, they broke your heart Since you decide to leave in the dark, baby Give me the chance to bring back your smile Girl, I promise that you'll be fine
Good morning, guys. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. It's officially and finally 2025. This is my first video of the year. Actually, I don't know what this vlog is going to look like, but it's probably going to be bits and pieces of nothing. But I'm just trying to keep the consistency going. And yeah, it's a lazy day. I'm on leave. It's December 26th, I think. I'm on leave literally the whole week. So I don't know what I'm gonna be up to, but maybe I'll take you along with whatever I get up to and let's see where it goes. Yeah, thank you guys for continuing to watch my channel. I know we're growing very slowly, but it will get there. So yeah, hope you enjoy the day with me. Don't know what I'll be doing. I'm just gonna chill. It's a rainy day outside. It's a beautiful day. I love such calm rain that has no thunderstorms, no. So yeah, I might go to gym later on, but I'm starting a new gym. I switched from Cars World to Voter World, so I don't know how it's gonna be. The reason why I switched is because Castle doesn't have a lot of gym equipment that I want to use. They don't have like your, is it Stairmaster? And actually they don't have a lot of stuff, and Voter World is quite big and has a lot of stuff. So yeah, but also this year, I don't know, I'm thinking of getting a trainer again, because honestly I don't know what I'm doing at the gym. I honestly don't know. I've got no plan when I go there. I don't know what I'm doing cardio or when I'm doing leg day, or I'm doing, like, I honestly don't know. I need to get the hang of it, and I think the only way to do that is to work with a trainer again. But yeah, we'll see. Might go later on, but I'm not gonna shoot because honestly I'm new to the gym. I don't know how people will receive it, and I don't want to do that at a gym. Don't want to make people uncomfortable. But anyway, let's go and make breakfast, and then we're gonna chill and watch a series. And I'm still busy editing my December vlog, my festive vlog that I did when I was at home. Still busy editing that because it's gonna go up next week, so gonna go finish that. But first, breakfast. Enjoy your week. Back to work, back to the grind. Hopefully you're not back to kind regards and you're still just chilling like me. Anyway, talk later. My breakfast, I'm having oatmeal. Am I the only one that enjoys overnight oats? Actually, I enjoy a lot of food overnight. I feel like food tastes better the next day. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but yeah, I'm having that with oat milk. And then I've got my tablets here that I'm gonna have after my breakfast. That is some collagen. These three are collagen, and this one is omega 3 and 6, and that is my iron supplement. I love this section of my kitchen. I love these salt and pepper grinders and my oil dispenser, and I love these. They're from At Home Homeware Store, At Home Furniture. Yeah, these utensils, and I love this little cutie toothpick holder. I don't know what you call it, but it's from Pep Store, and I got it strictly for that. Honestly, I don't know if the toothpicks are good, but yeah, I love that little thing. I've got like olive oil in this oil dispenser, and I've got another oil dispenser here. This one holds the normal cooking oil. Yeah, I just had to have them both here because sometimes I use this one for frying unhealthy food and that one for more healthier options. So that's why I have them both here. Sounds silly, I guess, but yeah. So this is another favorite part of my kitchen, my spice drawer. Yeah, I love this. Took some work. I got this bamboo spice tray from At Homeware store, and these little spice containers. I don't know what you call them, but yeah, I also got these from At Homeware store, but they don't fit. 4 does not fit, so that's why you see these last ones sitting a little messy, but it works fine. I'm okay with it, so yeah. And it's the same drawer, it's my cutlery drawer as well, because I don't have enough space in the kitchen to just dedicate a tray to, or rather a drawer to, just the spices. So I just need 6 gun. For me, do you need 6 gun? Okay. I love my meat sweet, so we're gonna use some Jimmy sauce, and we'll use this to brush it. I'm gonna cook in the air fryer today. Trying to stay healthy, and part of staying healthy for me is avoiding oil as much as I possibly can. And it's a quick way of cooking, really. It just saves you time.
We made last maybe an hour. About 10,000 more Americans will die. She's underwear.
That looks good. That looks so good. The oil is all drained out. That's what I love. So you can leave it in there.
I just received news.
Oof, a lot of oil, and I didn't put any oil, by the way. It's just from the meat itself. All right, let's get it out. Easy, quick meal done, and just like that, lunch is served. I just made a quick salad. I'm all about quick meals. Anything easy and quick to do, that's me. Bon appetit. Now I'm off to the gym. Yo guys, haven't been to the gym in so long. Like, I don't know how my body's gonna handle it, but I just have to start somewhere, and I'm about to leave now. Yeah, like I said, I'm hoping to get a gym instructor, but not today. I think today, or rather this week, I just want to focus on more like a warm-up session. I want this to be a warm-up session because I haven't been to the gym in a very, very long time. So I think it's best that I just focus on warming up, maybe just a treadmill and a few weights, but nothing hectic. And maybe from next week, I can consider getting a trainer. But also, since it's the first time I go to this gym, just need to see how things work around there, and then see who the gym instructors are, or the personal trainers, and then we'll start. Let's go. So I'm taking with me my water bottle, my headsets, and my watch. I don't know if it's charged enough, but hopefully that's enough to get through the gym session. Anywho. Hi guys, good morning. On my way to the doctor now for my monthly checkup, my monthly weight checkup. And I'm scared because I've gained so much weight, like so much weight during the festive season. So yeah, I'm worried to see what I weigh, but I'm also worried about what the doctor's gonna say. So anyway, I'm running late, so we'll talk to you guys later. Just got back, I went to Discount and I got a new scale. Mine broke, it was the last one, so I saw this little wooden one and I figured maybe that's what I need, because glass just breaks so easily. The way the glass broke, guys, was unbelievable. I literally kicked it not harshly, very mildly, and it just broke. And it's on. Dinner is served. Bon appetit.
Pushing it away, Google pushing what I went. Don't see what she said the range. I cheated and pulling drum. Ujushi sange niza each. Upusha each and ara sharani. Ugeni mairen do the donch. Jushi san reni kaishi. Girl, you like a flower. I wanna give you water every day by your side. Every day, let me treat you nice. Girl, I know you like Celine. Yeah, girl, I buy you that Celine. The shade on you, you look so clean, girl. I wanna give love, give it purple love. I see you, girl, you deserve it. If it's not enough, then I'll give more, baby. I wanna give love, give it purple love. I see you, girl, you deserve it. If it's not enough, then I'll give more, baby. I know them boys, they broke your heart since you decided to.
Hi guys, we have 2 unboxings to do. This is my bin that I bought from Mr. Price Home.
Even in that baby, give me the chance to bring back your smile.
It's kind of cream white in color, which matches my aesthetic of the house. So I love it. Our second unboxing. I went and changed this jacket. I had taken a size 12 and it was too big, so I took a size 8. It's just a nice jean jacket from the Fix. Yeah, just doing an exchange. And here I've got my training shoes from Sport Scene. I actually ordered these online, and so I want to collect them. I use my Discovery Vitality points. Look at this. How pretty. How pretty is this? How pretty. This is really, really pretty. That should be a thumbnail. These are pretty. So I think we've come to the end of this vlog. I mean, I think I've dragged it for a while now, and it's been a couple of days in my life, and I thank you guys for watching. Hope you'll be back for the next one. And yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy and relax before I get back to work. I only have a few days. Today is Wednesday. I don't even know what the date is, but yeah, hope you are having a good one, and maybe most of you are back to work. And yeah, anyway, see you guys in the next one. Bye.